Peel and wash 3 potatoes. Cut them in half and then into smaller pieces so they cook faster. Place the potatoes in a bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of water, cover with a lid, and microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. Alternatively, you can boil or steam them. If you have peanuts, crush them into small pieces. Put them in a bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and mix well. Add a pinch of salt. This is one of the hot dog fillings that we will use later. After 6 to 7 minutes, once the potatoes are fully cooked, add a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mash the potatoes finely while they are still hot. Once the potatoes are mashed well, add 4 tablespoons of potato starch. Mix well and knead by hand. When the dough is ready, shape it into a log and cut it into about 6 equal pieces. Press the center to make a pocket. Add a little mozzarella cheese inside and make sure it's well closed. Then flatten the bowl slightly with your hands. Likewise, make a pocket in another bowl. Add the peanut sugar filling and seal it well so that the filling doesn't leak out. Flatten the bowl slightly with your hands. To differentiate the fillings later, sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds on top. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. To make it tastier, add a bit of butter as well. This is optional. Place the prepared potato hot dog dough in the pan. Cook slowly on medium-low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until golden brown. After 5 to 6 minutes, flip them over. Cook until the other side is golden brown as well. Cook another 5 to 6 minutes. After another 5 to 6 minutes, perfectly nutty and delicious potato hot dog is done. Wow, look at this! They are so chewy and tasty. Now let's try the hot dog with the peanut filling. This one is so sweet and savory. When you crave delicious snack, make sure to try this recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.